Glad you're not licking me in the head like everybody else's dogs do. You're so nice. Thank you. Pinch it right here. It just goes and it'll stop. It used to have a little red. There's no choice but to work. I'm going to go a quarter, 1/3 revolutions around. Or pinch. Or the crimp with this. Yeah, I like this better, but we're actually going to do this. But I know, wow, everybody's going to want to see that one for sure. Sorry, folks. All of it. That's nasty. Wonder how much other junk we're picking up. Huh, buddy? What's going on? Glad you're not licking me in the head like everybody else's dogs do. You're so nice. Thank you. Thank you for not licking me in the head like everybody else's doggies do. Okay. I can actually leave that right there. And that, you guys get a look at this here. Push that. You see the little tab is covering the clamp a little bit, and that's the pipe, and you can see it can go like right in the middle of it. Watch how nice this is, folks. This is it's actually opener pipe. I like to nickname it opener pipe. And this pincher right here just goes and it'll stop. It used to have a little red light on there. Boom. And that's it, folks. And we'll be happy with that. So what we'll do is we'll pick up our little mess. We'll make our way to the outside, folks. Okay, let's get back at it. Okay. Real quick, the difference between the power packs and regular packs is it's both considered 1/2 inch. Power packs is a little bigger because it's going to be squeezing down on itself. And this is just the crimp. I like it. Put her about 1/4 inch right there. I don't want to mess the money shot up, folks, but this thing is so cool. This thing is so cool. I like to put it, see, finish. Can you guys see that there? Yeah. And then we just put it on like so. Slide it right down in there where you want it. And folks, you push the button. Boom. And it's done. I like it the most. What we have to do is cut her. We're going to use opener power packs on our top turn there. And we can actually use the crimp on power packs also, which is really the coolest thing. So what I do want to do is put this back so it protects things. So how are we going to do this? I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. Yeah, we will. You guys see what we figured out there, folks? The pull down. Yeah. Whoops. That's what we're going to go with right there, folks. We'll put this little, yeah, that'll be fine. And that is PowerPlex. And it did go right on there. And I am so happy that it, whoop! And yeah, if you want to have a very bad day, just push that button. I'm not kidding. It's not the worst day you could have. I'm going to put this back on here. And a lot of you guys are going to be screaming it, saying, you cannot do this. We are doing this. Let me see. Whoop. Yeah. there you have it, folks. I like it. And we could put heat to the pipe. I don't think we need to do that, but let's not make it nasty. Oh, well, I guess we can't see if that's going to leak. I guess we'll know, because it'll be filling up with water. Yeah. Can we even do this? I don't know. Is this even possible? What I'm trying to do? Wow. I don't know if this is even going to be possible. Well, I'll have to do it fast because it's the opener, so. Well, it's a new one. I've never done the opener on a turn like this, folks. But oh. And I like the fact this being in this water line, but maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe it's not a good idea, folks. I don't know. But as you can see what it's doing, it's going around in a circle, and it's showing its magic. And then we hurry up and slide this buddy all the way to the top. We'll just hold it. I guess that was really quick. And you'll feel it squeezing back down on the connector. And that's exactly what it's doing right now. Just leave it alone for a minute. I'm glad to see the big old little hopper. He's not a bad foot, little buddy. Oh, keep up, buddy. And guineas with bad feet, that's not good. That means the little bugger got froze foot. Keep moving, buddy. You'll get it. Walk it out. Walk it. There you go, buddy. Giddy up. There's my good boy. Okay. Now see what happened here, folks. This is working. That's what I'm saying, folks. And I don't know. What in the world? This might be a. Yeah, it's gonna work. This might be easier than I thought, folks. I think that's what we're going to do. We can push that up. And I can cut it right there. I can push it down that much. Heck yeah. Grandio. Let me keep the good stuff out of the dirt, folks. What we're actually going to use. Let's use this. Right now, we can use this right here. Oh, oops. This is a different one, folks, but it's going to work. Watch how cool it is. That there's no choice but to work. Let her go a quarter, 1/3 revolutions around. Revolutions. There we go. Keep it out of the dirt. What are the possibilities? We can get that to cooperate. Now if that snaps up to the. Oh, it really did. I'm gonna say, folks, I am changing my temper with the with the opener more and more in these, but for you don't use this stuff all the time unless you're a professional. And I like them, both of them. And you can even do 1 inch, 1.25 inch, whatever you can do whatever size you want with this thing. This you're limited. You only get so much. But this is nice. You can go on up to whatever you want. And I can't even tell. But we're gonna know if it. We're gonna know real quick if that worked. And this is. Oh, that doesn't seem like it's going back in the. Yeah, it did. That did. Let's see. You know, the professional plumbers, they go ahead and put the water to it right away. They put the pressure to it right away. Oh, that is. Whoo. And we're not gonna get it pressured up just yet. And here I am picking up all the tools before I turn the water on. I would have got yelled at for sure. Let's give that a few minutes, folks.